Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell about all about Python comments. Okay, let's see. Python comments. Python comments are essential tool for programming to document and explain their code. They help make your code more readable and maintainable, allowing others to understand your throughout process and the purpose of your code. Okay, now we'll see why use commands in Python. First one, improve code readability. Second one, document code structure. Third one, explain complex logic. Now we will go by one. Improve code readability. Commands explain what the code is doing, make it easier for others to understand. Second one, document code structure. Well placed comments can help organize and describe the overall structure and logic of your program. Third one, explain complex logic. When dealing with complex algorithms or problem solving approaches, comments can clearly that reason behind your code. Okay? Okay, now let's see types of comments in Python. First one, there are two types of comments in Python. First one is single line comments, second one is multiple line comments. Syntax. Single line comments in Python start with hash character and extend it to the end of the line. Usage. Use single line comments to explain the specific line of code or a short concept. Okay, this is a one small example. X I assume that 10 as a x as in okay, x is a variable. I assign the 10 value to the that x. I am printing that x value. It will return 10. When I run this code, the compiler ignore the x this line. It will not print. Okay, whatever we write in inside the comment that will ignored by compiler. Okay, it will print only 10. Okay, now we will see multi-line comments. Syntax. Multi-line comments in Python are enclosed within triple quotes like this. Okay. Then flexibility. Multi-line comments can span multi-lines and provides more detailed explanation. Documentation. Multi-line comments are often used to document function and module level information. Now we will see commenting best practices. First one, be conscious, avoid redundancy, update comments, use formatting. First one, be conscious. Use clear, straightforward language to explain the purpose of your code. Avoid redundancy. Don't repeat information that is already evident in your code itself. Third one, update comments. Ensure your comments accurately reflect to the current state of your code. Use fourth one is use formatting. Use white space, indentation, and consistent formatting to make comments easy to read. Okay. Documenting functions and modules. First one, doc strings. Second one, inline comments. Fourth one is helpful description. Docstring. Use docstring to document use purpose parameters and return value of functions and modules. Inline comments. Add inline comments to explain complex logic or unusual coding decisions within functions. Helpful description. Provide clear and concise description to help other developers to understand your code. Commenting code for readability. Explain why. Don't just describe what code does. Explain the reason behind it. Highlight key decisions. Call out important design choices or trade-offs that were made during development. Faster understanding. Comment should help other developers understand your throughout process. Okay. Conclusions and takeaways. Importance of comment. We learned Comments are essential for maintaining and understanding Python code, especially in complex projects. Types of comments also we learned. Python supports both single line and multi line comments, each with their own use cases. Best practices: write concise, up to date comments that explain why behind your code, not just what. Documenting functions and modules. Use docstring and inline commands to thoroughly document your code's structure and behavior. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. If you have any queries, comment below. Thank you.